What's the deal with inspections? Oh my God. In the last 6 months, we are seeing more deals terminate because of inspections. In every contract, a buyer always has two outs. The number one out is financing. If your financing falls through or you somehow cannot afford the house anymore because of a job loss or something like that, you can always terminate the contract. The second thing is inspection. A lot of houses in this market right now, because everyone is bidding over, we're getting excited, we're getting into this frenzy, we're bidding over the asking price of the home just to get it, just to secure the house, and then they go and do the inspection and they're like, oh, maybe it's not as perfect as I thought it was, and I wish, this wasn't this way or this wasn't that way, and they start to get cold feet or start to change their mind on it. You can terminate a contract based on inspection. Typically, I always say, let's ask the seller first to see what items they would be willing to fix for you, or maybe even if they don't fix those issues, they get a couple bids and say, okay, the XYZ repairs that you're asking for are going to cost about $2,500. We'd be happy to give you $2,500 towards your closing costs. We can take it off sales price. We can ask for the money to be paid to a contractor of your choice to fix those items. There's a lot of different moving parts in an inspection repair process, but number one thing is, you have to feel comfortable with those repairs. So I always say that, yes, you have 10 business days from the date of acceptance, and that's business days, not including Saturdays, Sundays, or holidays here in the state of Arkansas. Other states might be different, but you have 10 business days to make a decision if those repairs are a deal breaker for you or not. If you have questions about the process, please reach out. I'm here to help. Hope you guys are having a great week.